Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a flip and drag today on a 10 by 20 canvas. The colors I'll be using are Creative Inspirations Lamp Black, Lucas Turquoise, Craft Smart Gold, and Craft Smart Midnight Blue Metallic. I would like to thank whoever told me to try these erasers as bottle tops. They work amazing. Thank you so much for that. So I'm going to take a little 5-ounce cup and I'm going to spray it with my WD-40 silicone spray to release the paint. I don't spray it over my canvas because you'll get little silicone drops on your canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and start with black. And I use about a tablespoon of each color at the very most. And we'll follow that right with the turquoise and the Craft Smart Gold and the Craft Smart Midnight Blue Metallic. So I never go over the top of my pinky when I put it on the edge of the cup. So I'm doing that and I don't go over that. Otherwise you'll have too much paint. I just gave that just a little swirl in the cup to blend, and I'm going to put it right here in the middle. And it's okay if you make a mess. You're going to drag through that anyways. So I let it drop to the bottom before I poke a hole. And poking a hole releases that suction so that you can glide that cup on top of the white paint and not against the canvas. Pretty. So I do want to go in and pull this down here and here so I don't have quite so much white there. So what I like to do is dab my cup off and go get some of the white, spill off. Now remember, the white is going to sink, so it'll let the color come up through. And I'm going to do a little torch on that. I just like to pop the air bubbles. So I'm going to go ahead and start stretching it out just a little bit. Just to see where all my paint is at. So remember, when you tilt it one way, you definitely want to bring it back to round out those cells again. I'm thinking we can almost hang that one vertical if we brush it out right. Okay, so I'm going to get my airbrush after this. Can't ever leave anything alone. I could stretch and stretch and stretch and get a pretty nice painting out of this. But I love the look of the flip and drag with the little feathery edges. It's kind of my sig. I do have this airbrush available in my Amazon shop, and that link is below. And if you're new to the channel and you're just watching us for the first time, go ahead and click subscribe down below and hit that little bell, and you'll be notified when we upload another video. This airbrush is about 25 psi. So if you do have an airbrush with a compressor, just set your pressure at 25 and you can use that. Or you can use a straw and just blow it out with your breath. I really like that pewter in there. It's really pretty. Let me give it another torch. I think that's it. It looks pretty. Give you a close-up. So click like and share and leave a comment. Check out all our links below. And we now have a fan mail post office box. If you'd like to send us a card or a letter or a gadget to play with. And you can reach out to me on Facebook as well. Or my email address is ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. So that's it for that one, guys. I'm very happy. I love that pewter in there, or the midnight blue. Sorry, it wasn't pewter, it was midnight blue. That ought to be very shimmery when it dries. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.